Hey everybody, it's me again, Delonda, and my YouTube play button arrived today. I am super excited about it, and I am going to open it, and then I will give you some of the details that will help you get ready for the live, because even though this is my award, I would not have earned it if it had not been for you. So we are going to have a huge celebration, but let's first open this up. I'm very, very excited about it. So I wasn't at home when it arrived, but my husband was, and he was excited too. He was the one who picked up the package from the doorstep. It's not heavy at all. If I had to guess, I would say maybe 2 or 3 pounds. I'm not sure, but I'm excited. Super excited about this. Okay, so when you open it, there is a, I don't even know what this is called, foam, piece of black foam. And there's a letter. It says, do you remember, I'm gonna actually read the letter. It says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1000th? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came across your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor you. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? It says, yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, head of YouTube. I never even knew the name of the person who was the head of YouTube. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. I'm reading everything. So when you get yours, you will know exactly what to expect. We're honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, they give you an email to contact. And I don't know why I'm getting emotional, but this is what it looks like. And it says, presented to Crafting with Delonda for passing 100,000 subscribers. This is what it looks like. Try not to be emotional. Y'all know how I get. But this is, hopefully you can see it. Okay. I'm very excited. I know you can see Morgan's reflection in the back. She's standing behind it. There's actually, oh, like there's a mirror. Okay, it's so fancy. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm super excited. It's very light, but thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for every like. Thank you for every subscribe. Thank you for every interaction on the videos. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for praying for me. Thank you for just giving me your time. I will never get tired of saying thank you. I know that I wouldn't be here without you. So I just want you to know that from the bottom of my heart, I thank you. And we are going to celebrate really, really soon. I have a lot of different companies on board to help us celebrate this big milestone, and I want to share all of it with you. So once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you haven't subscribed, now is the time to do it, because we are going to celebrate. Thanks again for watching and for all of your encouragement along the way. Bye.